Well, nice horses. Yes, guys. Just want to see beauty. I asked them. Oh, them look nice. Yes. Pretty don't. They wanna love me. So I go up on TV. Mother, see mother come. Like mother come take her. Hmm? Hmm? See mother here. Where you come safe, me I trouble your daughter. Hmm? Hmm. Yes, guys, I say, yeah, chill, me, sir. Hmm? You like when me rub down your head? Girl, you alright? Hmm? Yes, guys, I say the farm stay with all for horse. See, two of them I take sun bath there. Yeah. Who not eat, I take sun bath. Why you chill me, sir? Why you chill me? Me not chill me now. Why you chill me? Huh? Why you chill me? Come up here, sir. Come here. Come. Come here. Come. Come rub down here. Come and rub down here. Come. Come. Come see me. Me rub down here. Come. You know I'm rub down here. Hmm? You like this? Rub down here. Yes, guys. This one, you see the beauty. I asked them how them look nice. But then when I come back, she fall in love with me. Yeah, chill me, sir. Why you chill me? You sweet, yeah? You like this? Hmm? Short, dude. Nice girl, nice girl, nice girl, nice girl. Hmm? Nice girl. Good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. Want to show you a whole heap more asses, but if you like the video, oh, they look so nice. Now stop chill me. Yes, guys, say don't know the things they already. If you like the video, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and leave a comment. And you will always see more other things You keep on chill me. You not stop chill me. You know all this? And girl? Hmm? No, I'm touch you. Let me touch you. Alright, go and eat. Okay, come make